The Grab Bars Boot Bars foot pegs in black are for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK. You like to take the doors off of your Jeep and you want somewhere to rest your foot outside of the vehicle. There's nothing like driving down the road with the top down, the doors off, and the leg hanging out, catching some breeze. And this is going to be a very comfortable spot to place that foot and a very well-built foot peg as well. Some of the foot pegs that you can find, they look like they're just kind of thrown together. They don't look very nice. These ones are going to look very finished off, and they're going to be very, very strong. Of course, you're not standing on this thing, you're just resting your leg on it, but this is going to be something that you're never going to have to worry about it bending or breaking, which is very, very nice. These are going to be a 1 out of 3 wrench installation. They'll bolt directly into that bottom hinge. No more than 5 minutes to get them installed and uninstalled, although you are going to need some tools for this installation. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. So like I said, there are going to be a couple of different foot pegs out there if you're looking for something that is pretty simple, but also something that looks finished, looks well thought out, and is very well built. I think this is going to be a nice option for you. As for construction, these are very, very simple. There's not a whole lot to say about them. They're going to be some round bar that has a hole drilled through it, and that is going to be a stepped hole, and that's designed so that your bolt that comes with this, which is actually a thumb screw on the top, can sit down inside of that, again giving you a really clean and finished look. Of course, you have this small piece that goes down with a rubber bumper on it. That's to keep it from marring the paint on your hinge, and the whole thing is covered with this rubberized finish, which makes it a little bit non-slip and also makes it nice and comfortable for resting your foot on. Overall, very, very well built. As for the installation, 1 out of 3 wrenches, like I said, 5 minutes approximately to get this installed. Now, that is one thing to note about these. They come with hardware, and they also come with a set of nylock nuts. So these are really designed to be installed and stay on for a period of time. They're not just going to drop on and pop off quite as easy as some of the other options out there. So if you're somebody who drives with the doors off for long periods of time, for long stretches without needing to put the doors back on, these are going to be a really nice option.
First, you're going to be removing your front door from your vehicle. Secure the foot peg to the lower hinge hole using the supplied nut, bolt, and washers. Secure the foot peg using a 5/16 Allen bit and a 14mm wrench.
These foot pegs are going to run you right around $60, and I do think that's going to be pretty fair for what you're getting here. It's something that's very high quality, it looks very well thought out and very finished, as opposed to some of those less expensive, simpler options. So if you're looking for a nice quality set of foot pegs, I definitely recommend these ones from Grab Bars, and you can find them right here at extremeterrain.com.